Good night, everyone. Fluid mechanics. In this example, we have like an air jet which comes through a circular cross-section nozzle and it just heated to a conical deflector. If the conical deflector has an angle of 60 degree to the horizon and it just deflect the water and applied a force of 5 pounds to the water, we want to calculate the flow rate in the nozzle. So if we have a row of air in a slug per feet cube, which is equal to 0.00238, we want to estimate the nozzle flow rate. So in this problem, starting this fluid problem with a momentum equation, summation of forces is equal to rho times q times the difference in velocities, delta v. And again, we have the rho of air in slug per feet cube. So q discharge is area times velocity, entering velocity. And if you just turn the 6-inch to feet, and that's pi 0.5 square over 4 times velocity, it just gives us q is equal to 0.196 times velocity feet cubed over seconds. And then again, having the main formula and replace force by -5 because that's in a negative x direction is equal to rho q. So if you pay attention, q is coming here due to symmetry. Half of q goes this way, the other half goes this way, and this is q over 2 times v cosine of 60, and this is the same v cosine of 60. If you add them up together, it just gives you a rho q, but it's going out to 2q over 2 times v cosine 60, which is rho q minus rho q velocity entering velocity. So outgoing minus incoming, and it just gives you the same equation. So by replacing the numeric value, negative force times the rho replaced, q replaced, and then take v out of the parentheses, then cosine 60 minus 1, which turns to a negative 1 over 2, and these two negative cancels out, and then the velocity of air jet is equal to 146.41 feet per second. And then if we simply, when we have velocity of air jet, and then multiply by the area of the cross section, which is here, it just gives you 28.7 feet cube per second. If you pay attention to the two units like British unit and SI units, you can easily see rho of air is 0.00238 slug per feet cube in British unit, and in SI unit that's 1.25 kilogram per meter cubed. The one which is more known to us is raw water, which is 1.94 slug per feet cube, and that's just come from gamma is equal to rho times g, and gamma of water is 62.4 feet cube per second, and then if you divide it by g, which is 32.2 in British unit, you can easily get this number. And in SI units, rho of water is 1,000 kilogram per meter cubed. And if you make a comparison between them, you can easily see that this is almost, rho of water is almost 800 times larger in both units. If you do it the same for British unit, it's just due to numbers, it's something like 18, it's around 800 times also. Thank you. We'll solve more problems in one-tom equation in fluid dynamics. Thank you.